Yeah, we're out here. Another episode of Digital Dreams Television. We're out here at Parkview Presbyterian Church, putting about 7 cameras on here. We got a couple challenges. We got some structures that are detached that we got to figure out how to get internet to. We're out here another day, getting it. Getting everything wired up. Pretty much everything's wired up now. All the wires for this one. We just got to terminate, hang everything. Because there's only a couple cameras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's nothing. 2 right here. That's 3, 4, 5, and then 2 over here. You've seen us do that in what, half a day? Got all 5 cameras on the one structure. We got our AP, everything's done. We're just troubleshooting 1 camera right now. Tomorrow, we'll just be hopping over to the next structure with 2 cameras, and that's where we're at. We got 2 days in, 1 day left. Because I'm gonna use this penetration to put an access point to talk to the building across the way. 100% done. This guy, he always catches me. All the times I don't think nobody's listening, he catches me.